Tanesh, you hear us? Guru Prasanna, you hear us?
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Tanesh, you hear us now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so it's my responsibility to update what has happened. Dakshin Siddharth, Nanda Kishore, Aswathaman have been playing a real good match against some common random players in the ground. They were in fact helping us as playing jockeys for us so that these three can get trained. Dakshin scored about 3 goals. Kishore scored about 2 goals, and Aswathaman, when we were playing, Aswathaman did score a goal. So all of those goals get into your OBT. Right. So, Anish, your CRS will be updated along with the physical activity that you had. Today, did you do any physical activity during the interim of our OBT time, Danish?
Yes, sir.
What was your physical activity?
Uh, I lifted some dumbbells
Okay.
and
That's
what else?
wonderful. Wow. How
And
much kilograms?
I ran around my house and I did pull-ups.
Wow. You're a bodybuilder, huh?
No.
Okay. Right. So your CRS will be credited in accordance with that. Let's say
Okay.
Guru Prasanna.
Yes, sir. Sir, I did stitching today, sir. As you told that do something other than speed walking or toe jogging, sir. I did stretching, sir. Sir, like when I was in eighth, sir, I was going. As I said, I have told you, sir. I was going to football class, sir. From that, they'll do warm up and warm down like before playing and after playing, sir. So I did full warm up and full warm down, which I remember, sir. That like 15 exercise, sir, there were 20 to 22 exercise, sir. I remember 15 exercise. I did all 15 stretching exercise, sir. And the next plank, sir. So today, like as I had a yoga mat, I did with yoga mat. My arm did not pain, sir, but my shoulder got pain, sir. Sir, and after that, sir, we in our home, sir, having like a cycle, sir. Sir, not like sir, we would say no, sir, exercise cycle.
Okay. Okay. Right. It's wonderful that when you take push-ups, you get chest pain. When you do planks, you get elbow pain. When you do planks with the yoga mat, you get shoulder pain. When you go for a speed walk, you get knee pain. So actually, you are a pain encyclopedia, and I'm really happy to see such a strange species, which
Sir,
gets
before that, sir, for the past 1.5 years, I had never done any kind of exercise, sir.
the K1 Okay, right. Anyways, jokes apart, your CRS, I mean OBT score will be updated along with it. Sivyadityan, your update about your OBT now in the past 1 hour. We are not hearing you properly, Sivyadityan.
So now it's clear, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Today I'm done as 15 minutes speed walking, then uh, then 10 times pull-ups and 200 times.
Okay. That's it. So skipping 50-50 and also. Okay, right, that's good. Fine. So without taking further, Nandakishore has to be trained. Yesterday he missed a class, so I don't want to waste time. OBT is done and no longer discussion, no more discussion about OBT. Let's get to MS evening sessions. Now, there are two teams. I mentioned that in the task force. So, I mean, task sheet. Nandakishore, Mitra and Dakshin in one team. Aswathaman, Sibi Adityan, Taneshwar and Guru Prasanna in another team. And this is going to be a continuum. Tomorrow is Monday. It's an off schedule. Yes, here is a good. So you are having tuition tomorrow. So you will be off tomorrow. So we are meeting only on Wednesday. You are still in our list, right? Okay. So, but give your contribution. But Wednesday they both will have to make the presentation. So your preparation. So today, the rest of the time, you can sit for preparation. If you need any team changes, any alterations, you're most welcome. Any team change? No? Okay, I thought Guru Prasanna and Taneshwar will make a wonderful duo. That is why I have deliberately made this particular team. Leader, neither. Kashi Padichilla. Leader Summa, MS Unix session, but leader first activity. Ideas for the presentation of leader and given Okay, so Taneshwar will be the leader, and Wednesday, obviously, Taneshwar will be off in Taneshwar's team. Mitra will be off in Nandakishore's team, but the others will have to do the presentation. Now, without taking further, I would like to give the preparation time for you. Team over available. Even in the console discussion team. Now let me give you. I'm going to give you 3 themes, and out of the 3 themes, you have to come up with a conclusion. So 3 themes, and I am giving the expectation conclusion. 3 themes கொடுத்துருவேன். நான் என்ன conclusion எதிர்பார்க்கிறேன். அதை நீங்க prepare பண்ணி சொல்லணும். Okay? And the 3 themes-உம் உங்களுடைய presentationல இருக்கணும். நான் எதிர்பார்க்கிற conclusion இருக்கணும். இல்ல 3 பேர் சேர்ந்து ஒரு டீம். I mean 3 பேர் சேர்ந்து 3 டீம். Ready? Okay, so first theme is complete rejections by people. என்னடா நான் எழுத மாட்டேங்கிறீங்க. ஏதாச்சு. Note down. MS evening sessions has the rule of noting down. Noting. Yeah, Guru, I know you will be, but you will சொன்ன. சொல்லுங்க. அதாவது rejection, complete rejection and ignoring from people. How bad you will feel when you are rejected and when you are ignored by people. That too, the people whom you are cherishing, whom you are considering to be very precious. Okay, so theme number 1, unnecessary and very, very erratic rejection and ignoring of any person, your friend, except parents and family members, your friend, your school friends, your teachers, or your boss, or your office colleague. Parents must eliminate. Parents will never ignore and reject. Second theme is the sudden burden feel. The sudden burden feel. Now let me explain what I mean by sudden burden feel. All of a sudden, you have an examination. Oh my God, I just finished my examination, and again Thursday they are putting So sudden examination, and you are really shell-shocked with the examination, and you feel so much burden. And early morning when you wake up, the first moment when you open your eyes, scientists say that that's the time when the mind is very, very fresh, but your body is very, very lazy. But during that time, you allow the inner demons to come and cramp you. ஸோ ஐயோ இதை நான் பண்ணி ஆகணுமா, ஐயோ இன்னைக்கு இதை இங்கே பண்ணணுமா, இந்த டெஸ்டா இன்னைக்கு ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகணுமா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. ஸோ தட் சடன் burden feel. இது ரெண்டாவது thing. Rejection, first thing, sudden burden feel, second thing. And the third one is continued insults and continued embarrassments from the parents also. Okay, so either parents involved பண்ணிக்க, parents தெளிவா embarrass பண்ணுவாங்க, தெளிவா insult பண்ணுவாங்க. They are experts in that. So continued insults and continued embarrassments. These are the three things. I want your presentation or skit or focal point or a mime or whatever it may be. I want that to be containing these three things. So for both the teams, now it's time for me to give the conclusion. Conclusion for Guru Prasanna's team, Guru Prasanna and Taneshwar's team. The protagonist of your story, உங்களுடைய ஸ்டோரியில நீங்க வச்சிருக்கிற அந்த main person should be accredited with Bharat Ratna Award. Your protagonist should be accredited with Bharat Ratna Award. Climax advatha irukku. Bharat Ratna Award. Bharat Ratna theriyum. Theriyadha.
நீ போன மாசம் வாங்கணும்.
என்னுடைய மெயின் கோல் அதான். So Bharat Ratna Award and your protagonist should get Padma Shri Award. Conclusion. Bharat Ratna Award, Padma Shri, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan. இது மூணுல எது superior? Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan,
Vibhushan.
அப்ப
Bharat Ratna, Vibhushan, Bhushan.
அப்ப அத வெச்சுக்கோ. Padma Vibhushan வெச்சுக்கோ.
சரி நோபல் பீஸ் கேஸ் போடுறோம். ஏதோ ஒரு பிரைஸ்.
So grand. நோபல் வந்து எவனோ ஒருத்தனுடைய பேரை வச்சு கொடுக்கிறது. அவன் வந்தால் பேர் நோபல். பத்ம விபூஷன் அப்படிங்கிறது இந்தியா, பாரத ரத்னம் அப்படிங்கிறது இந்தியா. நீ இந்தியா பத்தி யோசிக்கவே மாட்டேன். கோல்டன் ஃபுட்பால் அவார்டு வேற நீ பிரான்ஸ்ல எல்லாத்தையும் அவனுக்கு தான் தூக்கி கொடுக்குறீங்க. ரைட், பத்ம விபூஷன், பாரத ரத்னா. Taneshwar, Guru Prasanna, do you have any questions? Like there has to be a good plot or a presentation and your protagonist will have to face all these three problems, and eventually how does he come to a fantastic mantle of acquiring himself a Bharat Ratna like Sachin Tendulkar did, like N.G. Ramachandran of cine industry did, like Sarojini Naidu did. So how he gets into Bharat Ratna. So you can Google for Bharat Ratna, get a list of Bharat Ratna award winners, and I want everybody to, Bharat Ratna is a very coveted prize, and there is no corruption involved into it. I don't say the same statement for Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, yes, but for there is some corruption involved. So got it, Taneshwar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
இந்த மூணு தீம்ஸ் சொன்னல, இது மூணு பிரச்சனை தானே. இந்த பிரச்சனையை ஃபேஸ் பண்ற உன்னுடைய ஹீரோ என்ன பண்ணி கடைசியில பாரத் ரத்னா அவார்டு அளவுக்கு உயர்றான் அப்படின்னு நீங்க சொல்றீங்க. இவங்க இல்ல இந்த பிரச்சனையை ஃபேஸ் பண்ண அவங்க ஹீரோ பத்ம விபூஷன் வாங்குற அளவுக்கு எப்படி ஆனா அப்படின்னு அவங்க சொல்றோம். இல்ல ரெண்டு பேருமே பாரத் ரத்னா, ரெண்டு பேருமே பாரத் ரத்னா. தாட்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கும்? என்னுடைய கான்செப்ட் எப்பவுமே அப்படித்தான். ரெண்டு சுச்சுவேஷனு, ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷன் ரெண்டு மியூசிக் டைரக்டர் கொடுத்தா எப்படி கம்போஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. ஸோ திங்க். இதுல Nandakishore will be the leader and other Taneshwar. Any questions, boys and Mitra?
No, sir.
So Aswathaman will join this console and he will have team talk with you. Mitra, Dakshin Siddharth and Nandakishore will go outside and they will have team talk there. So now the time is 6:50. How much time do you need?
Session நாளைக்கு போயிடலாம்.
நாளைக்கு எங்கடா நீ வருவீங்க?
Oh, Wednesday.
ராஜா, understand the presentation.
நீங்க தான் தனியா வா சார். இல்ல
டீமா அந்த ஸ்டேஜ்ல போய்
அவன கூடவே இரு.
அது இன்னைக்கு முடியும். அண்ணா அந்த பிரசன்டேஷன் இதுக்குள்ள எப்படி இன்வால்வ் புக் நிறைய ரீட் பண்ணா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இல்ல அது பண்ணலாம் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணலாம் நீ இன்புட்ஸ் கொடுத்து பிரசன்டேஷன் தானேஷ் you give your inputs and presentation will be done by Guru Prasanna and the other co-members on Wednesday.
Okay.
Ajay Gandhi Prime Minister okay right yeah Guru Prasanna hey ila
Sir, I have one doubt, sir, in that Bharat Ratna award.
yeah
Sir, like it has been won by Sachin Tendulkar in 2014, sir. That I know, sir. Sir, except that any sports players has won that, sir. I think Dhyan Chand has won that, sir. I don't know, sir.
Leda, the only sports person to win Bharat Ratna was Sachin.
Okay.
Dhyan Chand Arjuna Award Padma Shri la vaangirukkan but idu vaanga Bharat Ratna vaanga.
Okay.
The supreme award in India is Bharat Ratna. The supreme award in sports is Arjun Khel Ratna. The supreme award in the cine industry is Dada Saheb Phalke. The supreme award in business is
Oscar.
for film.
Film.
That's for film. Actors.
Oh, நீங்க இந்தியன்.
Dada Saheb Phalke.
இந்தியன் பத்தி தான நான் பேசுவாங்க எப்ப பார்த்தாலும்
இல்ல அதான்
பெஸ்ட் ஃபில்ம் இன் இந்தியா நீங்க சொல்றீங்க.
கீழ போட்டு ஸ்டிக் ஹிட்டிங் ஸ்டிக் மூணு பேர் சேர்ந்து தொலைச்சிருக்கீங்க. அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க?
சார்
என்ன
வெச்சா சார்
எங்கடா வச்சு நீ பேக்ல வச்சினா அப்புறம் எப்பற கிரவுண்ட் these three culprits have lost my hitting stick worth 550 rupees.
not for the word but it has a very strong base for hitting the
Yeah, so I have been using and that's my personal stick and that fellow
இவன் தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணு.
coincidence alla
550 rupees.
என்னமோ
ஆமா 750 ரூபாய் இது இந்த ஊர்
sir
எதுக்குன விட்டு அது வந்து
மணியா
தனியா எடுத்து வாங்குது மம்முட்டி போட்டு இது பண்ணி
அது எப்பயோ அந்த coincidence கிடைச்சிருக்கு
நான் வாங்குனேன் ஒளியில போய் வாங்குனேன். இல்லடா நான் வாங்குனேன் எனக்கு தெரியாது இவன கீழ வந்து எங்க அம்மா கிட்ட எங்க அம்மா கூட தெரியாது ஆளு பாரு எப்போ வாங்குனேன் கல்லாக்கட்டை வாங்குறதுக்கு போறேன் அப்ப வந்துட்டு இங்க உடன் டிம்பர்ல வந்துட்டு கல்லாக்கட்டை வாங்குறதுக்கு நான் கல்லாக்கட்டை செஞ்சு தரேன் 1500 ரூபாய் ஆகும் நீ ஒண்ணு கிளிக்க வேண்டாம் அப்படின்ட்டு இதை பார்த்தேன் இது பார்த்தா நல்லா இருந்துச்சு இது போட்டு இந்த மம்மிட்டிங்க அப்புறம் இந்த மேலே லாக் எடுக்கிறதுல வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நல்லா விட்டுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு செதுக்கி கொடுத்தான் எனக்கு போய் ஓகே எந்திரிக்கிறா
என்ன சொல்றீங்க?
இது மைதா மாவு கொண்டு
என்ன பண்றாங்க?
தேங்காய் சட்னியும் மைதா மாவு போண்டா சட்னி. Get ready with your discussions. Come on, Dhaneshwar, take the lead. Aswathaman, come over here.
sir shall I
Okay.
use Google
Anything.
கூகுள் தானே யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். அப்ப நீங்க ஒன்றும் தெரியுமா யாரோ பாருங்க.
நீ பாருங்க இது தரங்க
Okay, video off and you can give the audio. Team discussion time starts now.
Okay. Okay, so do you have any ideas for a story?
Tanishwar, shall we do it as a skit? That will be comfortable. So is because Sibi is also there in our team, so that he'll also contribute if we are doing skit.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what type of story are we doing?
I think like I have just an idea. Shall I share?
Yeah.
Like we shall keep it as a sports person because like not many sports persons will have these kinds of mental issues like ignorance and like not many people would have this. And at the conclusion we can say that as I asked sir, like only Sachin Tendulkar has won this award. We shall name him as the second winner of Bharat Ratna. That's just my plan.
Okay. So
Yes,
what are we going to say about the complete rejection and ignoring from people, sudden burden feel, and continued insults and embarrassment?
yeah, Tanishwar, we shall give solutions for these kinds of problems and how like a person has faced these kinds of problems.
Okay.
Ashwathaman, do you have any ideas
Uh,
you shall say?
Yes, no, like for the story plot, na, I think let's keep it as a person who has lots of talents. Na. He has talents in many things, writing books and sports also. Na. But his family members are like more business investing like that, so they are involved in that. So they don't really want him to go out and play. Na. So just like when once he goes out to play now, with the localites there and in the ground now, the family members, his parents say that it's a huge embarrassment for you, like how much big we are, why should you go like that and play? So like that it involves the third one now. And the second one now, his parents want him to be go to the field of business and more now. So they like want to make him top in all of his studies, so they make him go to lots of tuitions and school like that now. So it feels the burdening feeling now that it involves the second and first one now. So when he feels like a stress like that now, so someone like his friend just say that I'll help you and make you are good at this sport, so I'll help you do that, and at the last minute he just ignores him now. Like that, so all three are covered. That's my
Okay, Ashwatthama, nice idea. We can include all the three things in this because, like, if you say that the parents are not allowing them, means it like it's just like an insult to him, and like he is interested in sports, but their parents are not allowing him, and that will be a burden feel for him also. And after that, like his friend has been